Another day, another door. I wonder what day 4 has in store. Guys, happy December 4th. So we are on the 4th day of our Arteza Art Calendar. And here is our day 4. So yesterday we got acrylics. The day before we got a brush. And the day before that, we got a tiny pad of acrylic paper. This looks like it's about the same size as door number 3. So I bet what's behind door number 4 is more acrylics. So let's find out. Oh, surprise, surprise. It is more acrylics. It is a yellow-green tube. So it is also 3 plus signs of light fastness, whatever that means. It is semi-opaque. It uses pigment PG7 and PY17, and it is A600. And let us see what's in store behind door number 4. Day 4, acrylic paint tube, yellow-green. Our yellow-green acrylic paint tube will provide you with the perfect paint for today's holiday challenge. Paint a family of cozy Christmas trees. Hashtag Arteza Challenge. So it looks like by day 3, so that's the red tube here, yesterday's tube, we're actually starting to get into the challenge portion of this calendar. So I just want to remind you guys that for the first 12 days, I'm just going to be undooring doors, and then hopefully for the back half of our countdown to December 24th, I'm going to actually work on trying to do some of these challenges day by day. So we shall see how that goes. So how are you guys enjoying the Arteza 12-day art supply calendar so far? I'm still waiting on that 24-day calendar. Well, you can't see it anyway. I'm still waiting on that 24-day calendar. Please, 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 Arteza, I really want to share it with my viewers and compare it to the 12-day calendar. Well, if it comes in time, and even if it doesn't come in time, I'll still share it with you guys. It is no fault of my own, and yet I still feel guilty. So I have been enjoying doing these daily mini videos with you guys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in every day to check it out. What did you guys think of the art kit last night? Let me know down in the comments below, as well as any cool arty Christmas gifts or holiday gifts you guys might be eyeballing this year and hoping are in your stockings or under your tree or part of your Hanukkah. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you guys stay safe, safe, happy, and healthy. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for a bigger, actually, let's bet that day 5 is acrylic paint as well. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 5.